This is the base of the microscope, which provides the stability to the microscope. And this is the handle of the microscope, which joins the body to the stage, and it helps in transporting the microscope in the lab. We should handle the microscope like this. One hand should be here and the other hand should be at the base, so that the microscope do not get slipped by transporting here and there in the lab. So this is the way in which you hold the microscope. These are the nose piece of the microscope, which contain the objective lenses of 4x, low power 10x, high power 40x, and oil immersion 100x. These are the lenses that I'm gonna put in the eyepiece of both 10x. This is a fixed stage, which is a square platform. Slides are placed on it. These are my slides. Okay, and I am gonna put histo slide of lung on it. I'm gonna show it how to do it. So on the fixed stage, there is a mechanical stage. Two clips are present on it. Like in this way, you place the slides. To move the slide side to side and forward and backward, we use these two screws. The upper one is used to move it forward and backward, like in this way, and the lower one is used to move it side by side, like in this way. There is this substage that is present under this fixed stage, and this is movable, you can see, with a diaphragm and a condenser. The diaphragm's aperture can be adjusted with the help of this knob present on its side. The condenser condenses the light rays on the object. As it is made up of two convex lenses, it can be moved up and down with the help of the screw present on the side. This is a core screw for course adjustment, in which the platform also moves up and down with it. And this is the fine screw used for the fine adjustment. Turn on the light source. Let's focus under the low power, then high power, and then oil immersion. First, placing the slide over the stage. Bring the area of the slide over the hole present on the stage with the help of the screw. So I'm adjusting. Let's focus first under the 10x or the low power. For that, bring the 10x objective over the slide. Make the diaphragm slide open, that should be less than 50%. Now with the core screw, move the objective up, and while doing so, keep looking into the microscope till your object is visible. Once your object is visible, adjust with the fine screw for the fine adjustment. Now it is crystal clear to me. Now let's focus it under the 40x. For that, bring the 40x objective over the slide and open the diaphragm more than 50%. Now do the fine adjustments till the object is clearly visible. Now it's the turn for oil immersion. For oil immersion, put a drop of cedarwood oil over the area to be focused. Bring the 100x objective. Dip the 100x objective with the help of the core screw by constantly looking from the side, so that it will just dip into the oil without touching the slide. Yeah, that's it. Make the diaphragm fully open. Now do the fine focusing with the fine screw while constantly looking in the microscope till your object is clearly visible. Yeah, now my object is crystal clear visible. Let me show you.